the booklets it gave had all the perfect study materials, and all the teachers have had throughout the year had constant support.
When we first attended the interactive session of UT, the first day itself I came to know that it is special, because the effort which the faculty were putting, I was sure that my daughter will be scoring good marks, and she proved me right.
Universal tutorials helped me to gain confidence and getting good marks. It also built my study level so that I could work hard and then get score more than the other average students.
I just remember how we came to this doubt solving lectures and all, and they just cleared our doubts so well. And the test series, we were so scared of the test series, we can't just explain you. But when we gave the test and when we got the results, we got to know that which points we had to work upon and which were weak. So I personally think UT is must, and it's must for a 10th standard student as well as the 9th standard students. And if I have to join classes in 11th and 12th also, I'll join UT.
I congratulate UT for having such a marvelous success. That was pretty much obvious as the rigorous efforts put by teachers and the entire faculty of UT was seriously expected.
We shifted to Mumbai midway session, so the effort which UT had put to my child in molding the career is very, very appreciable. The methodology what they use means connect with each of the child personally, solving the problems, the very thorough study material what they give, the timely exam they take. These has all contributed little bit, and all these things have contributed to the entire career of my child.